Tourbillon watch out of China. I ordered it through AliExpress.
Oh my god.
One.
Wow. Laptop or
Inaconda. This is, I think, all plastic. Just plastic. Okay, what type? So, there are some glasses, but okay, glasses. Okay, this is a shopping bag from Ideal Night Tourbillon Limited. This is a bracelet. Let me open it and see how does it look like. So yeah.
yeah, it's like that.
Just like that.
So
Now you're opening,
unboxing.
unboxing the
very
Tourbillon watch.
excited.
It's very heavy, I think. Oh,
Oh,
wow.
baby.
Oh, this is.
Really nice.
Oh, it's
I'm very excited right now.
Okay, the box is. It's a very good heavy box. Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh.
So. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
이게 마치 지서런 한 거들. It's leather.
Automatic.
Yeah.
Would you like to tell us a little about that?
Yeah, I will tell you. It's a Tourbillon watch. It's from Ideal Night. It's Black Spider. I was expecting it that the metal casing would be in its metal casing. Okay, let's see what's inside of it. Okay, it's a card.
It's beautiful.
It's a piece of cloth that you can clean it with. And this is another tool.
The box is very.
Yeah, it's a very good
interesting.
box. The box is actually in a very good quality. Yeah.
But it's interesting.
Yeah. It's a wood. The box is of very high quality, you know. There is a mirror. So this is the watch. I have to wind it. Yeah, it's running now. This leather straps are very soft. Okay, so far I'm not sure how can I just, okay, I think it's like this, fasten it. There is also plastic.
Yeah, I think first. Yeah, open that one.
फुल स्टॉप इसको देगा